Wage negotiations between SALGA and trade unions began back in March. The South African Municipal Workers Union, which represents the majority of municipal workers in the country, is demanding a 4,000 rand wage increase across the board. But SALGA maintains that most municipalities are cash-strapped and they can only afford an increase of 2.8% or around 250 rand a month. Now, the facilitator of the wage negotiations has proposed that the parties settle on a 4% wage increase, which, according to SAMU, translates to just 365 rand a month.
This facilitator's proposal is still a smack in the face of the municipal employees, with currently the minimum wage at 8,300 rands. A 4% salary increase amounts to about 300 rands a month, which is totally unacceptable. It does not address anything, does not address the current needs of employees on a day-to-day. They will not afford to buy food. They will not afford to pay for transport. Everything has gone up. Electricity is going up as we speak. And 300 rand does not mean anything to most of our members.
The union says it has asked its members for their input on the proposed offer, but at the same time, it's also conducting a strike ballot.
In case our members do not accept this facilitator's proposal, then it means that we must know if they are willing to go on strike. It's now a requirement of the law that before we embark on a strike, we must have a balloting process.
SAMU says it understands that a crippling strike in municipalities is the last thing the country needs at this time. But it says it has no choice but to consider it as a last resort to secure a better deal for its members.
This is a time where service delivery is most needed, and municipal workers are in the most essential services, and they offer services that are much needed, especially during the time of the pandemic. And we have tried our best from the month of April to say, let's avoid a situation where there will be a dispute.
Municipal workers currently earn a minimum salary of 8,300 rand a month. Meanwhile, the Public Servants Association says it's one step closer to downing tools in the public service. This after it was issued with a certificate of non-resolution by the Public Sector Coordinating Bargaining Council last Friday. The union has rejected government's offer of a 1.5% wage increase and insists on 7%. Mbongeni Muchwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.